What's up, everybody? How you doing? Good morning to you. We are heading out the door to go to school. And guess what? What's today, guys?
Pajama day.
And what else?
Pizza day.
Yeah, and what else?
And drink day.
Okay, what's different about today than any other school day?
I don't know. I forgot.
It's their last day of school. Get your backpack, get your stuff, let's get out of here.
Where do you put the lavender oil? Where you put this lavender oil?
We leave it inside. So we're getting out of the door right now. Danielle is staying here with Adeline while I get these little goobs to school. Let's go.
Bye.
Come on, get in, let's go. Come on. See all that trash right there? Our trash didn't come. What about you, Judy? Did you have a good memory this year at school? What did you like at school this year, Judy? You don't know? Do you have a good memory of school? Alright, well, there's that. Today is Tyler's last day of preschool. She starts kindergarten next year, so she's gonna be a kindergartner. So that's pretty crazy that she's grown up so fast. Look at this carpool line. Everybody's here today. They're like, our kids are going today.
I lost almost all of them at one point, but
Don't you see, we gotta hide. We don't have to see us. Don't let me down.
they were on their way. Oh, here they come.
She's so funny. It's your sister. She's so cute.
Make big circles. Make big circles. Like this. Are you ready to sing? Here we go. La la la. Stop. Now let's put it in the other hand. All right. Now let's change hands again. Other hand. Are you ready to sing and dance? Okay, bunnies. Get ready to sing in just a minute. Here we go. Let's la la la. La la la. With your fingers, touch your toes. Wiggle your fingers, touch your nose. Wiggle your fingers, touch your cheek. Don't move it all for at least a week. Tick tock, goes the clock. Trying to be as still as a rock. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Blue horse. Who has a blue horse? Yes. I'm gonna put blue horse to bed. Everybody say good night, blue horse. Good night, blue horse. All right.
A green frog.
Program, and she did so good. It was so cute. She was totally not our child. This is our child. This is our Judy. The Judy you saw, we don't know where that Judy came from. We're hoping we're taking that Judy home though.
Be quiet, calm on. Okay, we've got three kids. Three kids in the car, and now we gotta go pick up the last two. That's right. There's so many kids. Judy did really great, and so we get to come back later we get to come back later tonight for Tyler and Elena's programs at 6, so I'm really excited. So the girls, I can't believe it's Tyler's last day ever of preschool. She's graduating.
No.
It's their last day of school this year. It makes me so sad. Honestly, I don't think it'll hit me until Tyler's graduation ceremony later or whatever. She has a little cap and gown to wear, and I know that I'm probably gonna cry. Whoa. Speed bump. All right, we got a Judy, an Everly, and an Adeline. Tyler and Elena are headed in with John to their class to get ready for their program. Tyler's in her cap and gown. It's so cute.
We got VIP seating. They moved this to the front, right?
Balloon stores.
Huh?
Yeah, I guess
Balloon stores.
Balloon stars. You can see. Are your sisters going to be here? Luckily, she likes songs and music, so she'll probably be really good, like sitting. I don't know about Judy though.
Oh, they're coming. Hold on tight to your drink so you don't drop it. Okay?
Do you like music, Everly?
Look how excited she is. I think she'll be really good.
I remember the last performance, she was running around this whole place.
That was Christmas. It's been like 6 months, so a lot changes since 6 months.
Not in
Hey,
this
you gotta
kid.
stay here. I brought you snacks too.
Oh!
I told somebody snacks are the key to everything when it comes to having some.
Yeah. Where's Tyler? Do you see Tyler? I didn't even see Tyler. I didn't even see Tyler. Jeez. Everybody. It's okay. Are you crying? Oh, here's your one.
I told you this would happen.
Put a sad face.
You knew this would happen.
Teachers, and they're going to come up and do one song called Alphabet Lane. And in this song, they learn the letters, the sounds, and a picture that goes with
Letters.
it. They've got a lot of maneuvers.
So confused.
Elena. Frankie, come and see Miss Erin.
Play 2 beats and then rest 2 beats. Play 4 beats and then rest 4 beats.
I've come into my mama's bed. my toes against his leg, and this is what he said. Somebody has popsicle toes, popsicle toes, popsicle toes. Chilly Willy asking me, oh, get those toes away from me. So down the hall to my brother's room. He was sleeping. Crawled into my brother's bed, pulled the covers up over my head, put my toes against his leg, and this is what he said. Somebody has popsicle toes, popsicle toes, popsicle toes. Chilly Willy asking me, oh, get those toes away from me. Sister's bed, pull the covers up over my head, put my toes against her leg, and this is what she said. Somebody has popsicle toes, popsicle toes, popsicle toes. Chilly Willy asking me, oh, get those toes away from me. So I put the toes on the floor, tiptoed out and closed the door, and headed down the hall to the baby's room. She was sleeping. I crawled into my baby's bed, pulled the covers up over my head, put my toes against her leg, and this is what she said.
And you are all ready for kindergarten next year. What I would like you to do, we practice this, take your tassel and put it to the other side. Can you put it to the other side? And give yourself a big hand. Can you clap? And here are our 2017 graduates. Tyler, Pierce,
Grown up now. Tyler's all grown up now.
Gavin,
She's going off to college.
Shanti.
She's going to college.
Kellen,
All right, say bye. Come on. Bye. Come on, let's go.
The school year is officially over now.
Officially over.
Summer's begun. Come
Look
on, Tyler.
look at our crew. 1, 2,
go.
3, 4, 5. Whoa! Oh my word! Look at the rainbow!
Show them that
Look,
goes all the way
seriously,
across.
look,
It's
you
a
can
full
see
rainbow.
it. It's a full rainbow there from that cloud
That's awesome.
all the way up.
Can't see, guys.
Hold on, I will show you in a minute. Amazing!
Jesus died to save us and he loves us really much. Make sure you click subscribe.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you click the subscribe button to follow along with the Murrays.
Subscribe.